Hey guys, what's up? My name is Dora and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a spicy pumpkin bath soak. It's the perfect antidote for cold, frigid days as the cinnamon oil has a warming effect on skin. It's also packed with lots of skin-loving ingredients and is very relaxing. This is a very soft or loose recipe, so you don't have to follow it exactly or even close to get great results. I'm using turmeric powder, pumpkin powder, and kaolin clay, but feel free to substitute these. The baking soda and citric acid give the soak a nice pouring consistency. The rest of the ingredients are great for skin, especially the turmeric. The turmeric powder gives it a spicy scent and is also largely responsible for the lovely orange color. If adding cinnamon oil, the polysorbate 80 is crucial as it mixes the oil with water, essentially diluting it. Mix the batch well with your hands until all ingredients are thoroughly incorporated. Pour the powder on paper and spread it out flat. Allow it to dry completely. The bath soak should have a nice pouring consistency. Add interest with diagonal gold salt layers for texture variation and a pop of gold flair. So the funny thing is, I ran out of bright yellow gold salt and had to use darker gold for the last one, and wow, it looked so much better. The light gold basically disappears. Choose a color that stands out. Fill and pack the jar so layers aren't disturbed. Cut a slit in a shrink wrap bag to fit over the top of the cup. While holding the bag in place, heat the bag. You can put anything on top for decoration like a loofah, a few bath scoops or truffles, but I made whipped soap. I added SLSA for additional foam and lather. I'd hate for the frosting to turn brown, so I'm adding a vanilla stabilizer to be safe. And just for fun, here's a quick look at how dysfunctional and debilitating perfectionism can be. I made the frosting this color first. I didn't love it, so I made it this color. I wasn't satisfied, so I made it another color, which I really didn't like, so I chunked it. It didn't even make the video. Last, I made it this color. I liked this color the least, but after spending several hours on this one issue, it was time to move on. Just make sure it's small enough that it fits in the lid. Next, I sprinkled some eco-friendly chunky gold glitter. Last, I added gold sugar pearls. I just realized I misspelled the word spicy. Anyways, for the labels tutorial, click the information icon. Watch how much foam and lather this little bit of whipped soap can create. Keep in mind, I added additional SLSA for this reason, but even without it, it's going to create a decent amount of suds. If you were wondering if it's fit for bubble bath, the answer is no. No, it is not. The first thing that hits you is the spicy aromatics of cinnamon, pumpkin, and turmeric that fills the air. It's quite intoxicating. I added half the cup and it created a lovely bath soak. Spicy cinnamon filled the air and warmed the water. It was very relaxing indeed. I couldn't get all the way in the tub because I knew I had too much to do. I already had enough trouble just trying to pull my legs out. I went very light on the cinnamon oil because I knew I was giving the bath soaks away, but I definitely encourage you to experiment with it while using caution, of course, but you can definitely get away with using more. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and happy late Thanksgiving. I hope that you enjoyed a lovely day with loved ones while getting stuffed like a turkey. I know I did. Matter of fact, this was supposed to be out by then, but my perfectionism gets in the way sometimes. The next tutorial is going to be on gorgeous, sparkling ornament bath bombs. You don't want to miss out.